Hi, welcome to Lead Seeds B2B Sales and Marketing courses. Today, let us show you the best practices of B2B Call Out. Let's get started. B2B telemarketing is the process of using the phone to reach out to potential business customers with the goal of generating sales or generating leads. Teleprospection is a subcategory of telemarketing that focuses on identifying and qualifying potential leads through phone calls. Businesses have access to a wide range of marketing channels, such as email, social media, and online advertising. However, B2B telemarketing remains an effective and valuable strategy for reaching potential customers. Phone calls allow for personal and direct communication, making it easier to build relationships and establish trust with potential leads. Additionally, telemarketing allows for immediate feedback and the ability to address objections on the spot. Before starting any telemarketing campaign, it's important to establish clear goals and objectives. These goals should align with the overall goals of the business and should be specific, measurable, and achievable. By setting clear goals and objectives, you'll be able to track progress and measure the success of the campaign. The first step in building a targeted lead list is to identify your target audience. This includes understanding the demographics, behaviors, and needs of your ideal customer. By creating a detailed buyer persona, you'll be able to tailor your telemarketing efforts to the specific needs of your target audience. Once you have a clear understanding of your target audience, the next step is to research and source contact information for potential leads. This can be done through a variety of methods, such as purchasing lists from a reputable list provider, mining your own customer data, utilizing social media and LinkedIn to find and connect with potential leads, utilizing lead generation tools and software. Once you have a list of potential leads, it's important to organize and segment the list for more effective telemarketing efforts. You can segment your list by industry or company size, by job title or role, by location, by level of engagement with your brand. By organizing and segmenting your lead list, you'll be able to tailor your telemarketing efforts for maximum impact. Now let's find out how to make the perfect pitch. Before developing it, it is important to understand the needs and challenges of your target audience. To do this, you need to research their industry and the specific challenges they face in order to tailor your pitch to address those specific issues and demonstrate how your product or service can provide a solution. Once you have a clear understanding of the needs and pain points of your target audience, the next step is to create a script that addresses those issues. Your script should include an attention-grabbing opening, a clear and concise explanation of the product or service, specific benefits and features that address the needs and pain points of the target audience, a call to action. It's important to keep in mind that your script should be personalized and tailored to the specific person or company you are calling. When delivering the pitch, it's important to maintain a positive and professional attitude. Some tips for delivering the pitch effectively include: speak clearly and at a moderate pace. Use a confident and friendly tone of voice. Be prepared to address objections and provide additional information. Use active listening and ask open-ended questions to understand the needs of the potential lead. Follow up with leads who express interest. In order to measure the success of your B2B telemarketing campaign, it's important to set up metrics to track progress. Some metrics to consider include number of calls made, number of leads generated, conversion rate, average call duration, lead response time. Once you have collected data, the next step is to analyze and interpret the data to make informed decisions. This includes identifying trends and patterns and looking for areas of improvement. By analyzing the data, you'll be able to make adjustments to your telemarketing strategy to increase efficiency and effectiveness. Once you have analyzed the data and made adjustments, it's important to continuously test and optimize the strategy. This includes testing different scripts, call times, and lead lists to see what works best. It's also important to stay up to date with industry trends and best practices to ensure your telemarketing strategy stays relevant and effective. When conducting B2B telemarketing, it's important to understand and adhere to laws and regulations related to telemarketing, such as the Telephone Consumer Protection Act, GDPR, and the National Do Not Call Registry. These laws and regulations set guidelines for telemarketing practices, such as when and how often you can call a potential lead, and what information must be provided during the call. There are several points to respect for the success of your telemarketing campaign. Building trust and maintaining a positive reputation with customers is crucial for the success of any B2B telemarketing campaign. This includes being transparent about your intentions and providing accurate information about your product or service. Handling objections and maintaining a professional attitude throughout the call is a key aspect of any telemarketing campaign. This includes being prepared to address common objections and having a script or plan in place for handling them. It's also important to maintain a positive attitude and remain professional, even when faced with rejection. If you want to improve audience engagement, collect valuable data, and offer a win-win approach while streamlining your business processes, give LeadSeed a try. Upgrade your content and improve your business with LeadSeed.